Haulover always has its winners and its losers. Some people, well, they'll take it a little better than others, and some people win big and some people go home crying to mom. Welcome back to this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. Our first boat to step into the ring with Haulover this week is going to show us what it's like to roll through Haulover's fenders out. We see a lot of boats come through Haulover fenders out, but this particular concept right here, well, they decided they're going to take it to the next level and they're actually going to lose their fender while they're coming out of Haulover. This guy right here makes a big mistake too. He does that thing where they turn around and just take your eyes off the water for a few moments, and it always happens. The second you do that, you wind up getting your tail smacked around. Always got to pay attention where you're going, especially coming out of Haulover. These guys do get back in the game though, come back over here, and they wind up picking their fender up. Good job, guys. Way to get that one back out of the water. I'll actually go ahead and give the boat the win on this one. Our second boat this week is going to show us what it's like to come out of Haulover being just a little bit naughty. First thing I notice on this boat is it doesn't even appear my man has his windlass all the way retracted. He's getting a little fortunate though. It doesn't appear to be bouncing around too much, but right here's where things get a little crazy. In my area, it's illegal for you to have people riding on the back of the boat like this. I'm just guessing it probably is in Florida as well. One good bounce and these ladies could be in the drink. I'm going to give the round a Haulover on this one because this is a little bit silly. Our next boater is going to show us what it's like when Haulover decides it's time for you to take a seat. Almost everybody we see coming out of Haulover, especially in center consoles or some of these walk-arounds like this, they just don't have a ton of seating, so we'll see somebody in the captain's chair, somebody in the passenger's chair, and then usually a few people standing up behind them, kind of like we see in this vessel right here. But what they don't always see that much of is when Haulover decides it's time for you to take a seat, and you need to listen. So right here, they start hitting some bigger chop, and basically this lady says, "Yep, I got you, Haulover, I'm sitting down." I'm going to give this round to Haulover since it pretty much got its way. Our next boater is going to show us what it's like cruising through Haulover when you got enough horsepower and enough confidence just to go ahead and blast your way through that. Kind of like this Nortec does right here. These boaters do wind up catching a little bit of air, but for the most part, they're cruising through pretty good. Definitely giving this round to the boats. That's going to bring us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece, and the next boater is going to show us what it's like when the smack gets laid down. But who lays the smack down? The boat or Haulover? That's right, the second wave they hit coming through Haulover was enough for them to go ahead and slow it down and bring it almost down to an idle speed. And to add insult to injury, Haulover's decided to smack down our cameraman, Wavy Boats. As you can tell by the water running down the screen here, my man is sitting there soaked. Obviously, we're going to give this round to Haulover, and Haulover's going to take the win this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to check out our other 2 channels. Wavy Boats has some wonderful footage of Haulover Inlet. He posts videos over there twice a week. And our other channel, Broncos Guru, we post some great comedy boating videos twice a week over there as well. And if you haven't already, drop an anchor on the subscribe button here. We'd love for you to stick around, hang out, and enjoy these videos with us. We're posting videos every Wednesday and Saturday on this channel as well. Thanks a lot for watching.